Good evening to all. This is Ashwati KR with Roslina Jean for today's Aura Book Review 2021. Now let's listen to Farhad's book review.
Today I am going to talk about a book that I loved reading, The Mystery of the Hidden Temple. This book is about a girl named Nooni. When her mother goes to Delhi, her father Shekhar drops her at her grandparents' village. She makes a lot of new friends and learns many activities like papad making, riding a bicycle and weaving. One time when her friends go to a picnic in a nearby hill, she and her friend falls into an ancient step well. In that step well, there are many pictures of King Somanayaka and Lord Shiva and Somanayaka's kingdom. Nooni and her friend escape from the step well and tell the story about the step well to the villagers. The villagers call the archaeologist, and the archaeologists solve the mystery of the step well. After that, when Nooni mother comes, there's a big party arranged for her farewell. She hugs her grandmother and grandfather and then leaves for Bangalore.
Thank you, Farhad, for your wonderful book review.
Now let's hear Adil Shah's book review.
Hello, alrights. I'm Adil Shah. Today I'm going to review a book named Secret Garden, written by Frances Hodgson Burnett. The story is about a little girl, Mary, who after the death of her parents is sent from India to Yorkshire to live with her uncle. There she uncovers the mystery of a secret garden which has been locked away for 10 years. The protagonist, Mary, is brought back from India as a forlorn and unwanted child to live in her uncle's great lonely house on the moors. She is miserable and disagreeable until the wonderful day she discovers a hidden door to a mysterious secret garden. The other characters in the story are Martha, Deacon, Colin and Mr. Craven. These characters give life to the story and moves it further. Martha is the maid who plays an important role in the transformation of the girl. It was also from her that Mary gets to know about the existence of the secret garden. Deacon is Martha's brother, who is very much into the nature. He is quite in sync with his surroundings and the creatures in it. Colin is an extremely spoiled child, who is Mary's cousin. He, along with Mary, finds solace in the garden and transforms his ways. I really liked the book, as it was fascinating to see Mary change from a horrible spoiled brat to a sweet-hearted girl. The best scene was probably when Mary first finds the garden that was hidden for a decade. I would not recommend this book for people who do not care for nature, as there is lot of description about flowers and trees and so on. On the other hand, it could change your mind about it. This is a must-read book for people who are interested about nature, but other readers would enjoy it too. Thank you.
Thank you, Adil Shah, for the wonderful book review.
Last day's question was, who is the author of the book, The God of Small Things? And the answer is Arundhati Roy. And the winners are Tanishka of Grade 2A, Akshat, Achyut and Pooja Biju. Kudos to all the winners.
Now, it's finally time for the question of the day. What is the longest book ever written? I repeat, what is the longest book ever written?
It's been a pleasure to entertain you. This is Ashwati KR with Roslina Jean signing off from today's Aura Book Review 2021.